Today we will talk about the secret to mastering anything on Circuit Secrets Tuesday 2-Minute Tech Tip. A lot of people, and I'm guilty of this too, when they start learning to program, they try to learn too much at once. Sometimes they try to learn to program on multiple platforms. Sometimes they try to learn multiple languages. Most of the time, the person is trying to learn programming, libraries, and a platform all at the same time. While sometimes this is unavoidable, it's best to maximize the results of your effort by focusing on one thing at a time. Anyone can become an expert on anything, but first you have to break your subject down into smaller pieces. Say you decide you want to learn Arduino. This topic can be broken down into the C and C++ programming languages, libraries, the Arduino IDE, the GCC and AVRDude toolchain, electronics, and microchip architecture. Something like the Arduino Starter Kit is a great place to start. The companion book breaks down different portions of the demo projects and allows you to focus on one section at a time while building and programming the projects. Once you have worked through the demo examples, you can focus on one thing at a time and expand your knowledge. You could start with electronics, components, and schematics, or you could focus on programming. There is no wrong order, but don't overwhelm yourself. It's the same thing when you start designing. Break the project down and focus on one part at a time. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to if you break your task down into smaller pieces. Remember, even the pyramids of Egypt were built one brick at a time. This has been your Tuesday 2-Minute Tech Tip from Circuit Secrets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.